Well, it's Tuesday morning, back in the swing of things after the long holiday weekend. We're headed over to Tokerville Falls to gather up a four-seater for Bill at Utah Off-Road Tours. You guys know how this rental business goes. So we're gonna go get that gathered up and get it back over to the shop and check it out and see what we can do. I guess it was overheating. Imagine that. It's only 90 this morning already. So we'll get over there and get it checked out, and we'll take you along for the ride. That's a rollback on a dirt road.
No, not a rollback on a dirt road.
Rollback on a dirt road. Right, well, we're having quite the day today. Dustin is headed for Sand Hollow, and I'm on a dirt road in the rollback out to Cane Beds looking for an address. I'm gonna haul a Ford Taurus back to Colorado City. So we're having quite the day already today. Man, it's busy. So, here we are. We'll take you along for the ride. folks got a little water out here too. Didn't incur much damage, but they got a little moisture for sure. Lots of mud and dirt on the roads. Same flood, just different side of the hill, same rainstorm. Okay, we got that Ford Taurus dropped off at the boys at Rocky Mountain here in Colorado City. There's very few places on earth that are prettier than this. So we'll head back towards Hurricane, and never know where we're going to end up next.
Yay!
All right, well, we're on the road again. And man, oh man, is it ever a warm day in southern Utah. We're out to Sand Hollow, gonna go get a vehicle out that's got a small motorcycle trailer on it. And it's 117 degrees. So it's kind of miserable. But there's a reason we live in southern Utah, is because we love those long, old, mild winters. So we'll get out here and we'll take you along for the ride. What can Brown do for you? Make that work. Give you a little pull if you want to turn your wheels a little that way, and I'll just pull you nice and easy. Yeah, fire it up, put it in gear. Alright, we're going to give him just a little bit of a tug. He's not too stuck in there. He just in a two-wheel drive with a little trailer. Don't leave because you got stuck.
Right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, just go have fun, enjoy yourself. Don't worry about it. We guys can get you again. You know, second time's free. So Mom is mad, and Dad, he's not mad. He just wants to go camping with the kids and unload the four-wheelers. They're from LA, so I'm gonna run down here with them and make sure they find a spot down on the beach somewhere in the shade, and they'll find a good spot to camp. Camping in 115, they're tougher than I am, but we'll get them down close to the water. They can enjoy themselves, and should be a fun weekend for them, I think. Those boys were all excited to be here, and so we'll see where we end up. We'll sneak over here and run down in on the beach.